In today's video, we're going to learn how to set up your Adobe Acrobat workstation in the newest version of Adobe Acrobat so that you can make your files accessible. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. We know that we're in the new version of Adobe Acrobat because our tags panel is on the right-hand side and our tools are on the left-hand side. Now in this new version, all of the tools are simply listed out, and what I did was I found my tools like Prepare for Accessibility, and I simply select and drag to move my options to the top of the All Tools menu. This is so I can get to Print Production, Prepare for Accessibility, or even the Action Wizard in a very quick way. So that's the first thing you want to do to set up your accessibility workstation. The next, this is a bit advanced, is to use the floating toolbar here. I can select the three dots and then customize toolbar, and this will allow me to add in specific options to my quick access toolbar. The one that I personally added was the pre-flight menu. And we have others like the auto tag document. We also have the accessibility full check or even setting alternate text. If I select the auto tag document and then the little arrow add to toolbar, that will add that element to my toolbar. I then can select save, and this toolbar can be moved around wherever you want. Now the next thing we want to do is make sure our tags panel is present. Now to do this, we can either right click inside the little column on the far right and then select accessibility tags. This will make the content viewable. Or we could go to menu, view, show hide, and under side panels, we can say accessibility tags. Now there's one final step to setting up our workstation. I want to right click inside of my tags window and select the option highlight content. This will ensure all of the content is selected when you begin to walk the tags panel of your document. This is a great visual cue to ensure that all of the content that you want tagged is actually tagged. And if there's extra content in here like these pesky blank tags, we can artifact them right now. Lastly, I want to show you where to update the document properties. You can select the menu button and then select document properties. This will pull up the description tab. This is where you could insert things like title, author, subject, and keywords. And you can also set the language on the advanced tab. That concludes today's video on how to set up your Adobe Acrobat workstation for accessibility purposes. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And if you would like access to my Section 508 WCAG checklist for PDFs, there's going to be a link in the description for that too. And finally, I wanted to mention that I have a self-paced course coming that will teach you how to make PDFs accessible. And if you haven't already, take a second to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.